In this video, we are going to talk about a few strategies and activities that you can work with your child in order to utilize balance and object mobility, which is basically a fancy term for hand-eye coordination, throwing and catching, and a few other strengthening activities that can help isolate the head from the rest of the body. Hi, I'm Dr. Lauren Baker, a pediatric physical therapist, and on this channel, we provide mini masterclasses for proactive parents and providers to help children solve their movement blocks so that they can move confidently and with ease. Think of me as your pediatric physical therapy bestie, here to help you learn tips and tricks to help your child move better. Today we are going to talk about the benefits of using stepping stones, why I love these stepping stones specifically, and if you haven't yet, there's a whole video just on utilizing these stepping stones as balance strategies. So not as much focus on hand-eye coordination, which this video is going to focus on, but a little bit more on balance. So make sure you check that video up above. I'm so grateful for outree for sponsoring this video. This is my first sponsored series on this channel and I'm so excited. Outree was kind enough to gift me a balanced stepping stone kit, but all of the opinions in this video are my own. I love it because it is small and compact and I can bring it with me whenever I need it. And if you want more information, you can check out that other video. I list 5 reasons why these stepping stones are my absolute favorite. If you're looking for the outree stepping stone, make sure that you use code Dr. Lauren Baker so you can get 24% off. It'll be linked above, but also in the description. So you might be asking yourself, what are some of the benefits of utilizing stepping stones with children? One of the best ways is that balance is the basis of some of that more complex movement. So we want kids to have good balance strategies, both in their feet as well as up the chain. If you have a child that is falling a lot, one of the reasons might be because their balance strategies are not up to the level of where they need to be for them to keep their balance, essentially. For gravity to not push them over when something comes up, like a loose stone or an uneven piece of ground. When we experience some type of input to our body, maybe someone hits us, we have balance strategies, both in our ankles as well as in our hips, that kind of help us keep our balance. If our balance strategies are lacking, maybe we have weakness in our feet, maybe we just haven't had opportunities to experience more of these balance strategies or to develop them, then we're gonna be more apt to fall forward or fall backwards and accidentally get hurt. The other thing that it does is it helps children understand where their body is in space. We call that proprioception. Proprioception is really important for children in the development of coordination. The third benefit for utilizing stepping stones is the ability to increase single leg stance opportunities. If you're putting one foot on each step going forward, you are spending some time just on one leg. Single leg balance is the basis of some of the more complex motions. If a kid can't stand on one leg by themselves, they might struggle with going upstairs, one foot on each step. They might struggle with skipping because hopping on one foot is the basis of progressing to skipping. So if balance is a challenge for a child, they might struggle with some of those 4 to 6 year old milestones going forward. Those are some of just a couple examples of balance benefits from utilizing play equipment like balance stepping stones in your child's kind of everyday activities. When kids are learning hand-eye coordination, for them to be able to obviously catch a ball, throw a ball, we want them to be able to catch a ball with their hands without trapping it against their chest. And we want them to be able to track the ball in a lot of different locations. So as the ball is coming towards you, your eyeballs are gonna move together. As the ball is going away from you, your eyeballs are gonna move apart. We need to be able to track our eyeballs in that way in order to be able to catch a ball. We also need to be able to focus on our target, maybe even while our body is doing something different. So when we utilize these balance stepping stones, we are challenging the body. So you might see the accuracy of catching the football or any other type of ball go down. One way that you can combat that is to use a bigger ball or a lighter ball. I love beach balls, balloons, anything that's really light. It's gonna take longer to get to the child, as well as make it easier for the child's eyeballs to be able to focus on that object as it moves towards them. You can also use brightly colored balls, so yellows, reds, things that are really brightly colored are gonna make it easier for the eyeball to focus on the object coming towards them. The other thing you can utilize is asking children over and over again what they're supposed to be doing with their body. So things like, do we catch the ball with our toes? Being a little bit goofy. Obviously, you're not gonna catch the ball with your toes. And then they'll say things like, no, we catch it with our hands, or adding a reward to when they only catch it with their hands. So a lot of times, the little you'll see in this video, he loves to do touchdown. So he'll like catch the ball. When he catches it with his hands only, then he can do a little lap and do his little touchdown dance. So we try to increase rewards when the accuracy is high, but you also want to give children feedback and praise and love, even if their accuracy goes down when you're standing on an unstable surface like the stepping stone. So let's get into all of the awesome, fun activities that you can do while standing on stepping stones and adding throwing and catching into the mix, as well as a fun kind of goofy bonus exercise at the end. Are you ready? We can't catch with our toes? Oh, Miss Lauren, that's too silly. What do we catch with? Our hands. All right, ready? Ooh, almost. All right. That was a terrible throw, Miss Lauren. Yeah! Okay, how about after we catch, then you can throw it to the receiver. Look, Spider-Man's waiting for you. He'll catch it. Are you ready? Nice job. You gonna throw it to him? Oh!
He didn't catch it.
That's because his arms are kind of stuck to his body. Can you catch if your arms are like this big? Can you catch like a Tyrannosaurus Rex? Yeah, can you be a Tyrannosaurus Rex? Yeah. Did you know their elbows are stuck to their body? Yeah. You can pick blue or red. That might be a little harder, but you could try it. Ready? Oops. It got you on the noggin. The forehead, yeah, that's exactly right. Oh, almost. Can you bend down and get it? Kind of hard. Oh, good job. Good work. Nice work. Good job. All right, are you gonna do 2 feet or are you gonna do 1 foot?
He can sleep with me too.
Oh, well, that's sweet. Do you give him snuggles?
Yeah.
Yeah, I get it. I get it. All right, ready? Oh, nice throw.
Hey, these are matching colors.
They are? I love it.
Like, I love red and purple.
Oh, you do?
Yeah.
Okay.
That's super cool. You gotta have a purple and red cake.
A purple and a red cake, huh?
Yeah.
All right, I'll have to tell my mom that because she loves the color purple.
Yeah.
I should tell her if she wants to be super cool, she has to have red too.
She wants to dress like Spidey colors.
Spidey colors? Oh, should we tell her that she should wear a Spidey color outfit for her birthday too?
Yeah.
Oh, awesome. I will make sure that I tell her that. All right, you ready? Good job. Touchdown.
Do my touchdown dance.
All right, you do yours. I'll do mine. All right, when we catch it next time, we're gonna throw it up and catch it before we do our touchdown dance. Oop, good try. We gotta try again.
Noggin.
Yep, and your whole noggin. And your nose. All right, let's try again. Ooh, good throw. All right, let's do it. Yeah, and then throw it up. Ooh, almost. Let's try again. I know, I'm making you even stand as a stepping stone. This is even harder than usual. Oh, good job. That's okay. Let's try it one more time. Yay! Yay! Touchdown dance! Good job. Oh, good try. Where were your eyeballs? I want you to look with your
I
eyeballs.
was like this.
Yeah, you did so good.
And the ball just scratched. It was a ball.
It was. It was amazing.
Yeah.
All right. When you stand up there, before you throw it, before you let go of it, I want you to use your eyeballs to try to find the basket. Okay? Good job. Nice step. Good job. Oh, stay on purple. But when you throw it behind, your eyeballs need to find the basket if you want it to go in.
All
right.
I didn't fall.
All right, find the basket with your eyeballs.
Fall and hit my head.
Oh, well, that's so good. Sometimes that happens, though.
Hey, you did it.
That was amazing. High five. Let's see if you can be a turtle. Can you be a turtle? You get to pick what color turtle you want to be. I'm going to be a green turtle.
I'm gonna be a red turtle.
You're going to be a red turtle?
We're gonna be Christmas colors.
Oh, Christmas color turtles? That's so awesome. All right.
Is this right?
Yeah, yeah. And we're going to try and balance it on our back. Good work. Okay. We're going to crawl. And then once we get to the ball, you can put it in the basket. Your turtle shell might fall off though. Oh, your turtle shell's still on. Oh, almost.
Yes.
Is that silly?
You didn't catch it.
I didn't, because I'm a turtle.
I win. You lost.
Are you hiding? Oh, I got it. That means it's your turn to be a turtle to try to catch it. You get to pick your turtle shell. There you go. All right, nice work. All right, you gotta be on all fours. It's okay if it falls off. That's the whole point. Oh, lift your bum. So you're on all fours. There you go.
Got it.
Okay. Oh.
Now it's mine.
Now it's your turn?
Yeah.
All right.
Be a turtle. I like you when you are a turtle.
You do? Is it because it makes it harder for me to catch the ball? Okay.
Where's your turtle shell? Oh.
You can't see it because my head's bigger than yours. Oh, got it. All right, your turn. Good job. All right, you gotta keep your booty up like this. Okay, so hold that position until you're ready to catch.
Ready to catch.
Then you can bring your hands up. All right, you ready? Oh, I'll get it. And that's a wrap, friends. Thank you so much for spending your precious time with me to learn activities that you can do to help your child activate their balance and work on their balance and improve their balance, as well as their hands-eye coordination. The more movement foundations we can provide for children and the more experiences we can build into their little lives, the stronger the foundation that they're going to have for their pre-academic skills. Movement and academics fit hand in hand, and the more confidence we can build within children in their physical environment and in their play, the more they're gonna both have the necessary pre-skills for academics, as well as just the social and emotional and confidence that they are gonna have. And I absolutely love using movement as a way to build children's grit and tenacity and just their ability to have a great foundation for their little lives. If you have questions, make sure you drop them in the comments, but if you want a little bit more, make sure you check that pinned comment, because that's where you're gonna find a link to be able to schedule an online consultation with me. It's a one-on-one video call where we can chat all about what you're experiencing as a family, what your little is experiencing, give you a couple next steps of ways and things you can do to help your child move better. I want to extend a huge thank you to outree for partnering with me with this video, as well as the other video on helping children improve their balance, as well as gifting me that balance stepping stone kit. They really truly are one of my favorite products, and I use them all the time with my older children in sessions. If you're looking for really great stepping stones that are easy to utilize, super fun, and then also are really compact and easy to store, make sure you check the link in the description and you can grab either the primary color kit like I have, or they even have a pastel one that is beautiful and amazing. Check those out, and don't forget to use code Dr. Lauren Baker for 24% off. If you're looking for more ideas and ways you can use stepping stones, make sure you check this video out next. It's gonna have all of my 5 reasons why I absolutely adore these, and a few different ways you can challenge your child's balance while using these stepping stones.